We're going to focus on the four main AI-driven tools currently in Fusion: generative design, automated modeling, automated toolpaths, automated drawings, and automated constraints in sketch mode. Looking at the acronym artificial intelligence, that's one thing AI can stand for, but it can stand for other things. How about augmented intelligence, adaptive intelligence, or for our conversation today, automated interactions? I've been working with the Fusion AI stuff, and I've been very, very impressed with it so far. There's a lot of benefits to AI. We're talking about improved efficiency, cost reduction, quality control, sustainability. At its core, we're talking about enhancing your human ingenuity. AI helps customers design and create more, allowing them to focus on strategic, creative, and high-impact work, and not the button smashing that we're all so used to.